Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Subsistence Traveling. I'm your host, Jay. Today we're talking about 5 ETFs for income investors. Now, all these ETFs are preferred ETFs. They're higher on the capital hierarchy than common shares. The dividends are paid in preference to common stock. They pay a set yield. They are more illiquid than common shares. And so here's the case for preferred ETFs in today's environment. I recently read an article where 20% of companies on the FTSE 100 have canceled or postponed their dividends. The ECB recently asked the banks to cut dividends and buybacks to support households. Now, I believe this is going to become a global trend. Last but not least, most S&P 500 companies only generate enough cash for debt payments and dividends. So during this lockdown, many companies won't have enough cash to pay dividends. All right, so the first ETF is the VanEck Preferred Securities X Financials, ticker symbol PFXF, priced at $15.68. It pays a dividend of 6.64%, which needs to be updated, has an expense ratio of 0.41%. Now, of all the ETFs, this is the one that I would recommend most because it excludes the financial institutions. All right, next is the iShares International Preferred Stock, ticker symbol IPFF, priced at $10.05, pays a dividend of 4.51%, again, needs to be updated, is much higher now, has an expense ratio of 0.55%. The difference with this one is it excludes companies inside the US, so it's only international companies. All right, so next is the Invesco Preferred Stock, ticker symbol PGX, priced at $12.56, pays a dividend of 5.75%, which is higher now, has an expense ratio of 0.52%. All right, one thing about this ETF, the market price is $12.56, but its net asset value is $13.08. So that says that the market price is trading at a discount to the assets, the value of the assets in the fund. The one thing about this one though is it focuses mainly on financial institutions, which may or may not be a good thing in this environment. All right, so we're on to the Spider Wells Fargo Preferred Stock, ticker symbol PSK, priced at $37.55, pays a dividend of 5.03%. Again, not the most updated, it should be higher. Has an expense ratio of 0.45%. Okay, so last but not least is the First Trust Preferred Securities and Income, ticker symbol FPE, priced at $16.42, pays a dividend of 4.42%, has an expense ratio of 0.85%, which is a little high. All right, so here's some considerations. Majority of preferred shares are issued by financial firms. Now, especially in an environment like this, financial firms usually suffer the most. Higher interest rates can reduce market value, and it's a possibility that we may see some higher interest rates. Companies can postpone dividends in tough times. With all that said, preferred ETFs are a great source of income in times like these as yields are more reliable. As I always say, peace to all.